Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the physiology behind why you should be taking apple cider vinegar immediately before every meal that will just about guarantee your rapid weight loss. And stay tuned to the end of the video where I'm going to share with you the absolute bottom line to apple cider vinegar. Hi, I'm Nanette, certified master herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. Physiologically, digestion begins in the mouth, where you masticate or chew your food, and then the food blends with the saliva. But the primary place that digestion occurs is in the stomach. Now, most people have heard of pH levels. The pH number defines how acidic or how alkaline something is. Within the human body, different parts have different pH levels. So how does this apply to weight loss? Well, the stomach functions best in an acidic environment, and most people today suffer with low acidic levels in their stomach. And there are 6 primary causes for this. The first cause is age. As we approach 50s, 60s, 70s, and up, we produce less stomach acids. The second cause is stress. Chronic stress can also decrease stomach acid. The third cause, vitamin deficiencies such as zinc and the B vitamins. The fourth cause, taking medications. The fifth cause, having a high sugar intake. And the sixth cause, having food sensitivities. So what happens when there's not enough gastric acids in your stomach? Well, there's 4 primary things that can happen. Number 1, you can't digest proteins properly. Number 2, enzymatic actions are hindered. Number 3, it becomes difficult to absorb minerals. And number 4, you guessed it, healthy weight loss becomes nearly impossible. To show you the severity of the effects of low stomach acid, let me give you an example. As I mentioned earlier, low stomach acid makes it difficult to absorb minerals. So let's take calcium as an example. If calcium is not being absorbed properly, what happens is the calcium starts to float throughout the body around soft tissue, starts accumulating and starts building up. When this happens, calcium starts building up throughout all your soft tissue in your body, and calcification occurs. And you may start feeling stiff and achy, such as what occurs in your joints when you get arthritis, in your bursa, when you get bursitis, in your eyes, when you get cataracts, in your kidneys, when you get kidney stones, in your gallbladder, when you get gallbladder stones, and in your nerves, when you get neuritis. So you see how many maladies can be caused when your body cannot absorb minerals properly. So now let's get back to apple cider vinegar. And here's the bottom line that I spoke about as to why you should be taking apple cider vinegar before every meal in order to see that rapid weight loss. Apple cider vinegar, which contains mostly acetic acid, has a pH of 2.5, which is just about right where your stomach acids need to be. In fact, gastric acids in your stomach that occur naturally have a pH of between 1.5 and 3.5. So apple cider vinegar is right where it needs to be to help you digest. So taking apple cider vinegar is going to help you with your digestion, especially with the proteins, and help you to absorb minerals and help in the functioning of enzymes, and also help you with your weight loss. And here's a bonus point for apple cider vinegar. Because it contains lactic acid, which is a beneficial bacteria for your gut health, it helps to prevent and reduce gut irritation and inflammation, resulting in reduction of belly bloating. And here's bonus point number 2. Because of the beneficial bacteria in apple cider vinegar, it also helps to overcome inflammation in your body. Inflammation, more specifically pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are the hormones that cause inflammation, activate your body's fat triggers. Pro-inflammatory cytokines cause the cells in your body to become resistant to leptin and insulin, the 2 most important fat regulating hormones in your body. The good news is that more and more studies are linking gut health to successful weight loss. So there you have it, the physiology behind using apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Now here's the recipe. First of all, you'll want to get a raw and unprocessed brand of apple cider vinegar. The one that I've chosen is called Bragg, and I really love it because it is raw, it's unprocessed, and it also contains the mother, which you see settled down at the bottom of the bottle. So every time you go to take some of this, you'll want to shake it and mix the mother in with the liquid. And what I like to do is pour between 8 to 10 ounces of water, and then go ahead and put between 1 to 3 teaspoons, and I like to put a tablespoon because I've been doing this for a while and I really love the results. And I recommend taking this between 30 to 15 minutes before every meal. And this is going to rev up your digestion. And I just challenge you to do this for an entire week. And I'm 100% positive you're going to see some great results. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with your family and your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I put out a video. And until next time, stay safe and be well.